Home remedies to relieve leg pain due to diabetes. Hello, we are Diabetes Consciousness. We're here to help you find solutions towards your health. Nerve pain is one of the most difficult types of pain to treat, because it develops slowly and silently and becomes chronic. We know that many people with this symptom seek to alleviate their pain with home remedies that help them while they go to appointments with the specialist. Today, the healing and soothing properties of substances that have been used by tradition and generational legacies to relieve pain such as neuropathy have been investigated, and the findings support them to be used as home remedies within a specialized medical treatment. Join us until the end of this video if you'd like to know what leg pain diabetes treatment you can do at home. You'll learn up to 15 ways to relieve leg pain while visiting your doctor. Keep in mind that the first thing to do is always consult your doctor about this type of neurological pain. Yet, there are some measures you can try at home for temporary relief on your legs and hips. Always keep in mind that the feet need very special care and you must take great precautions. We recommended that before taking supplements, consult your doctor first. So let's get started. Home remedies to relieve leg pain due to diabetes. 1. Cold. Put ice packs on the skin for a few minutes. This is not recommended for people with erythromelalgia, it can damage the skin. 2. Cold gels. There are cold gels on the market that, rubbed on the skin, help you relieve pain. Rub them on your legs, hips, and feet, and immediately do some stretching. 3. Moisturizing. The skin on the legs, hips, and even the feet can help relieve pain. Thick creams generally work better. In the market there are high hydration creams for diabetics based on calendula extract, menthol, and bee honey. They help reduce pain and provide a feeling of freshness. Others contain L-arginine, hydrolyzed collagen, menthol, hyaluronic acid, or with nitric oxide it makes the blood vessels to dilate and thus improves blood flow. 4. The magnesium and potassium. Wet compresses of Epsom salts contain these minerals, for use in the muscles of the legs. For the feet, it's not advisable to immerse them in this or any other solution. It can promote injuries and increase infections, generating complications. 5. Apple cider vinegar. You can place wet compresses on hips and legs. This vinegar is rich in minerals including magnesium, calcium, and potassium, which act as natural anti-inflammatories. These minerals applied in concentrated amounts to the skin produce pain relief in neuropathy. By using apple cider vinegar, it can reduce the swelling caused by the nerve pain itself. Produces temporary pain relief when there is a crisis due to pain. It can also be ingested as a drink in a cup of water, mixing 2 or 3 tablespoons of cider vinegar. 6. Cayenne pepper is an aromatic spice derived from the Capsicum annuum pepper, and when administered in the correct concentration, capsaicin produces a chemical reaction that reduces pain. There is no medically established dosage for cayenne supplement consumption. Manufacturers recommend between 30 and 120 milligrams 3 times a day to prevent nerve pain. There are creams and ointments of different concentrations to apply locally on the skin. Transdermal patches, like the Salponas gel patch, can generally be applied every 4 to 6 hours for pain relief. The FDA approved the first 8% capsaicin transdermal patch, called Qutenza. It's used every 3 months for 60 minutes, no more. In cases of severe neuropathic pain, only. Before continuing with more home remedies to relieve leg pain, we invite you to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Remember that this is an exchange between the information we carefully create for you and your response. We appreciate your like, and it's our fuel. Let's continue. 7. Elderflower is a remedy that can be useful for neuralgia since it has emollient properties. It helps reduce inflammation, it's antispasmodic, and reduces the feeling of electric shocks. Elderflower also has properties that promote blood circulation. It's applied externally. For this, you want to make an infusion with the leaves. Then, soak compresses and put them on the hips and legs. 8. Lidocaine. You can apply a topical cream containing lidocaine on the skin of the hips and legs. Nowadays, there are patches with lidocaine that can relieve pain. Lidocaine patches are available and effective in relieving pain in the legs and hips. 9. Turmeric infusion daily. Drink a homemade turmeric infusion before going to sleep. You can also take a turmeric supplement daily. The curcumin in turmeric can relieve nerve pain. Curcumin has protective anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and antimicrobial effects. It helps relieve neurological symptoms. 10. Massages. Help improve blood flow and circulation and can relieve pain in the legs and hips. Passive and firm movements are made that seem more like a stretch than a massage as such. The massages are accompanied by the gentle movement of the legs and hips, until feeling sufficient stretch but without pain. If pain awakens, you massage your hips and legs, and do these stretching exercises to promote circulation. Create warm-up routines before bed and also when you wake up. This should prevent painful crises. For the massage, you can use vetiver oil. It has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties for neuralgic pain. If you manage to find the vetiver root, cook it in water. This is even more effective. Apply it externally on hips and legs with gentle frictions. 11. Sleep. Get enough sleep and rest. Take long naps to give your nervous system a chance to repair itself. Sleep disturbance can increase neuropathy symptoms. Sleep with your legs slightly elevated to promote circulation. 12. Mind-body exercises. One of the best ways to relieve pain and prevent the progression of diabetic neuropathy is to move consciously. In addition to promoting the recovery of blood vessels, mind-body exercises deliver oxygen and other nutrients to all nerve cells, further improving neuropathic symptoms. 13. Complex B. Vitamin B, among other properties, strengthens the nervous system, helps improve nerve transmissions, optimizes energy levels and accelerates metabolism. It has been shown to help relieve pain, thanks to its anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antioxidant effects, especially vitamins B1, B6, and B12. 14. Vitamin D. This vitamin is increasingly becoming more important in the diet of diabetics. Maintaining adequate levels of vitamin D helps prevent diabetic neuropathy pain. The necessary amounts of Vit D cannot always be obtained from food sources. Consequently, some people may need to take a supplement. 15. Alpha-lipoic acid. It's a chemical substance similar to a vitamin that acts as an antioxidant. Some foods are a source of this acid. Like supplement, the suggested dose for nerve pain in people with diabetes is 600 to 1,800 milligrams of alpha-lipoic acid per day. It can also be used as a cream for up to 12 weeks. It's important to note that taking alpha-lipoic acid along with diabetes medications can make your blood sugar drop too low and lead to hypoglycemia. We hope this information provides you with great relief. Remember that all these measures are to temporarily relieve pain. These can be more effective if they're part of your treatment plan. Glycemic control will always be the best solution and will prevent complications. Live consciously. If you want to know more about this topic, in our channel you'll find the video about medical treatments for diabetic neuropathy. We hope this information brings something new to your life. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell button to receive notifications whenever we upload new videos. If you want to know a specific topic, you can leave us your comments below. If this information has been useful to you, share it and remember to give us our like. You are the reason why we are here. Thank you.